Mortgage Heaven, we've been around for quite a long time, but 20 years of experience. I've been in the business for 20 years, and that means a lot, you know, because I've been in the business for about 20 years. The lowest person in experience in my office is no less than 10 years. And not that experience is everything, but it's a big part of it, you know. And you guys as realtors, you guys are learning specific training today, but it's important because who's on your team and is representing you. And I keep hammering this home every time I speak to realtors or a group of lenders, let's say, who you surround yourself by is really, really important, because at the end of the day, whoever you refer, if they don't do a good job, it's still an extension of you, and that reflects on you. So with Mortgage Heaven, you know, in a nutshell, we're a direct lender. You know, we close deals in less than 21 days, sometimes even faster. It just depends on how fast everyone moves. We could do any loan from A to Z, you know, VA, reverse mortgage, I mean, you name it. So there's pretty much nothing that we can't do. But where we excel is really communication and being available for our clients and the other people that are involved in the transaction. Because it's not just the clients, it's also escrow, it's also title. So it's really, really important that availability is a big thing. We recently had a transaction where a condo had a litigation. And not just any litigation. I mean, there's two litigations on this condo. And if you know anything about lending, and I'm sure you've had some condos, I don't know if you, as a realtor, if you have a litigation on the condo, that's already a red flag. You know, and I've had listing agents not even know there's a litigation on an HOA, and that's like, you should know that, right? You know, but so it's really surprising they don't. But you know, you guys are awesome realtors, so you guys will know that. But the point is, I was able to get these two lawsuits. One was the HOA suing an owner because his renters were doing drugs on the property. They did some damage on the property, and specifically in this property, but mostly because they're doing drugs and making noises like that. That's already one big red flag. The other one has something to do with the metro, that a possible crack in an exterior wall, not in the building itself, but it was the exterior of the property. And again, it damaged the property automatically as a red flag, and the chances are a lot of lenders won't send it to Fannie to get insured, or Freddie to get insured. So we got the lawsuits, we got an HOA letter, we sent it over to the condo team, they looked at it, and some of our specific investors are really, really good. I mean, they're all about closing, they're common sense type investors. So they don't just, you know, they don't say, oh, well, it's a red flag, forget it. They look at it and they work with us because we close a lot of deals with them, you know, millions of dollars. They say, hey, we can do this as long as it makes sense. Give us an extra letter saying that, you know, it's just in the outside, which, you know, is it going to affect, you know, the tenants or the residents? No, boom, they get it done. You know, maybe it's not a guarantee every time, but you want someone on your team who's going to do that extra work for you, and that's what we do. So I look forward to working with you guys. I mean, if you haven't done business with us, if you want to sit down and talk to us, have more questions for me, I'd love to meet with you one-on-one. Come see me after the training and we'll talk. Okay?
Awesome.
Perfect.